Harv Èker, the author of Secrets of the Millionaire's Mind, he said, the single biggest difference between those that succeed financially and those that fail financially is how well they manage money. It is simple. To master your money, you must manage your money. Hi, my name is OLABANJO. If you are new to my channel, welcome. As a subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I'll be explaining to you the 3 basic skills you need to learn about money. Without further ado, let's go straight into the video. Number 1 basic money skill you need to acquire is you need to learn how to make money. You need to learn how to make money. Making money is the fundamental skill you need to learn in your money. So making money is not difficult and making money is not really easy. It depends on how you place yourself, what you are capable of doing, that will determine if making money to you will be difficult or it should be easy. So making money means you selling your skills, you offering something of value and getting paid. Making money is the basic and the most fundamental skill you need to learn when learning skills about money. To make money, you need to offer something of value and you get paid. When you have something of value to offer, you have the capacity, you have the potential of making money. Making money is all has to do with you positioning yourself, your sales and marketing skills, you putting together and you getting paid for what you can offer. So to make money, you have to first of all have a skill to offer to people, or you have something of value to offer to people. You can learn skills on platforms like Udemy, on platforms like Coursera and so on. I put the link in the description box to some platform where you can learn some skill for free if you have not been making enough money, so that you can learn those skills and you can freelance on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com and so on and so forth. So making money is the first and the basic money skill you need to learn. The second money skill you need to learn is called managing money. Managing money. For some times now on this YouTube channel, I think I've uploaded 2 videos on how to manage money. I uploaded a video. They'll be showing you above here how to manage your money as a business owner. I also uploaded the video. They'll be showing you above here also how to manage your money in your personal finance. If you've not watched those videos, just check the description box. You will get the link to the video. Make sure you watch the video immediately after watching this video, so that this video will not be a waste, because in those videos I have explained to you how to manage your money. You can manage your money by by saving. You can manage your money by having budget. You can manage your money by setting plans for yourself. So are the basic ways that I know that you can manage your money. So check out the videos I mentioned in this video so you can have more insight on how to manage your money. The third money skill you need to learn is you need to learn how to multiply your money. Yes, it is hard to make money. It is harder to manage money, and it is the hardest to multiply money. Making money is hard, managing money is harder, and the hardest thing to do is to multiply money. What does it mean to multiply money? What it means to multiply money is to send your money on an errand and for the money to come back in multiple fold. So how can you multiply your money? You can multiply your money in so many ways. You can multiply your money by investing. You can multiply your money by buying some assets. You can multiply your money by putting your money in a place where you know you get high return on investment. When you invest your money, the ROI, which is the return on investment, should be more than the present inflation rate. When you invest your money, the ROI from the money you will get should be more than the present inflation rate. What does that mean by that? Imagine now in Nigeria, where I stay, the present inflation rate is 13.7%. That means that if you have 1,000 naira with you, sorry, naira is the currency we spend in Nigeria. If you have 1,000 naira with you last year, that means the money has lost 13.7% of its value. So that means 1,000 naira can now purchase something of 870 naira. So if you invested 1,000 naira last year, make sure the mix of your investment will help your money to grow more than the inflation rate. As you say, you must make sure your money has grown more than 13.7%, else you are losing money. So it is easier. It is good to make money. It is better to manage money, and it is also the best to multiply money. So I want to know which of the states you are. I want to know your skill in making money, your skill in managing money, and your skill in multiplying money. So in the comment box, just comment managing money on the scale of 1 to 10. Which one means the lowest, while 10 means highest. So scale grade yourself 1 to 10. Making money, you have 7. Making money, okay, for instance now, and making money, I have 7. Managing money, I have 4. By multiplying money, I have 10. So just read yourself in the comment box so that I can know how to help you in my further video. I have a playlist I have created for you. The playlist is just around money marriage, how to manage your money, what you need to know about money. So check the playlist here. And YouTube recommended this video to you. That is, this is according to your personality, the way you watch videos. YouTube recommended that this video will be the best video for you to watch. Thank you very much. I will see you next time. Go and implement what you've learned from this video now.